So that's really tall for what I'm used to doing. We're just gonna try it out and see if the speakers are too tall to topple over, and I wanna see if they're safe. It does feel safe, but I wanna put a towel underneath the speaker because the grills are kinda getting crushed by the ratchet strap. So I do ratchet strap everything down, even the road cases, just because the ramp I have is about 9.5 feet, but it's still steep whenever we unload stuff, and I don't want to get crushed by the trunks or just destroy the trunks by them all falling off each other, so I just ratchet strap them down. Whew. It's hot. We got everything loaded up, and we'll see you tomorrow.
A twin van.
Ah, shoot, you're gonna need to go.
I'll ask them to move it. I don't think you can fit.
Get through that. So after we move the van, we're gonna set up the stage and find where the power is and hook up power and start pulling stuff out. Alright, so just gonna leave the door open, or what do they want?
We'll have to prop it.
And one extra. I'm gonna use the level to see if these are how level these are, and then I'm gonna use my new wedges to level it out. I know these things have a telescoping leg, but it's just not always easy to get it level that way. So I built these out of wood and spray painted them with Gorilla Spray. I have a video, and I'll put that in the link in the description. It's okay to get close up. We got power. This is a 25-foot twin cable that I'm going to run to the floor wedge up front.
Would you ever need multiple wireless access points?
Not for what we do, yeah, we just need one.
Adjusting the mic stand because I always do a terrible job.
Check, check, check. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Hey, check 1, 2. Check. Hey, hey.
Would you like me to go out there?
Hey, yeah, go out there.
Sounds great. I can hear you loud and clear.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
We'll start there.
Please don't let me go. I've said too much. Please don't let me go. I've said too much.
It was our last night together. We're gonna make it count. We're heading off to Auburn, Texas Tech, Kansas State. The band of brothers breaking up. One more show to play. So we drank a case of shiner on my daddy's maker's mark. Put them speakers on the back porch, sat around and smoked cigars. We sang along and laughed till dawn and watched that red sunrise. Yeah, that was the thing.
We gotta stay here a little while, and then we can clean up and go home. The sun's going down. It's really nice outside. I think the weather's like 70 degrees. All in all, not a bad day. We just got to clean up the stage a little bit, and this thing's done at 8. It's 7:15. We can pack up and go home afterwards. It's time to pack up. We're cutting the music. Why? Why? Nah, we're just gonna turn the music off. That's what you do. You turn it down. Then everybody goes. Alright, so it is the next morning. I have to unload the van and repack stuff because we have another gig this coming Friday. Everything went well with what we did yesterday. The artist was happy. It sounded good to me from front of house, and the people that hired us said we did a great job, so I'm just going to take that at face value. It is what it is. But now I need to get everything out of the van so I can clean it up, reorganize it, and make a new scene for Friday. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the page because we want to try to grow this thing to make it bigger and better. Thanks for watching, guys.